In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off suggestions in Google Drive. If you're using Google Drive and you keep seeing suggested files that aren't useful to you, the good news is that you can quickly tell Google Drive that a suggestion isn't helpful. This can make your home screen feel a lot cleaner and more relevant, especially if you regularly work with many files and shared documents. To begin, go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main landing area of Google Drive where you can see your files, folders, and any suggested documents that Google thinks you may want to open. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to look through the suggestions section so you can identify the file recommendation you want to remove. Next, move to the suggested document you no longer want to see. On the side of that file, click the three dots, which open the More Actions menu. This menu gives you extra options related to that specific file. If you don't immediately notice the three dots, hover your mouse over the suggested document, since some controls may appear more clearly when the file is selected or highlighted. After opening the More Actions menu, look for the option that says Not a Helpful Suggestion and click it. This tells Google Drive that the recommendation wasn't useful to you. It's a simple feedback action, but it helps adjust what appears in your suggestions area over time. Keep in mind that this does not delete the file, remove access, or change anything about the document itself. It only affects that suggestion and helps improve the recommendations shown to you in Google Drive. So if you were worried about accidentally removing an important file, you can be confident that this step is only about controlling what gets suggested on your home page. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other suggested files that don't match what you want to see. Over time, this can help make your Google Drive experience more focused and less distracting, and that's all there is to it. By going to Google Drive Home, opening the three-dot menu on a suggested document and selecting Not a Helpful Suggestion, you can quickly reduce unwanted recommendations and make your workspace feel more organized.